The next practical is that to interfacing the ADC by using the AVR microcontroller. For that, the aim to interfacing the ADC by using the AVR microcontroller. In that, the using for that the apparatus, power supply, AVR microcontroller kit. Here that the circuit diagram. In that the circuit diagram, AVR microcontroller connected to that the reset pin for that the pin number 1. Here that the reset consists the 10 microfarad capacitor and that the switch. In that the port 28 pin, port C pin number 5 connected for that the analog input. In that the 5K pot, whereas the oscillator and the oscillator pin number 9 is the oscillator first and oscillator 10 second is the pin connected through that the pin number 10. Here connected to that, in that the oscillator circuit consists the 22 picofarad capacitor C1 and C2 and that the 32 megahertz is the oscillator. Here the port pin is that the connected through that the RSRW and enable pin for that the LCD and that the data pins connected through that the port D. Here that the port D used for that the LCD 16:2 data. In that the program, whereas the program consists the start the program for that the include header file. In that the including the header file, then next the initialization user defined function and that the consists the initialization the global variable. Then next the while loop condition for that the always 1. In that the change of that the port direction. Then next the call subroutine for that the ADC and call subroutine for that the display and return for that the program. In that the ADC subroutine, the read the data from that the select channel. Then next the configure ADC. Then next the calibration for that the data and return will for that the data. In that the display subroutine, whereas the LCD data value. Then next the call command value subroutine and then next the call data subroutine and then next the return for that the display subroutine. In that the command subroutine, whereas the LCD data value RSRW and enable 1 and that the delay for that the subroutine, there the RSRW and enable is that the 0 and return for that the command subroutine. And next the LCD data value, that means the data subroutine, there is the RS1 RW0 and enable 1 and that the LCD data value delay subroutine RS1 RW0 enable 0 and that the delay for that the subroutine, the decrement the counter, return on that the completion of that the counter and that the return. In that the interfacing of that the ADC to AVR microcontroller, an analog to digital converter is a device that converts the voltage to digital number and the ADC is used to digitize the analog signal. A signal varying with that the time is sampled decreases signal at that the instant is recovered. The code is output of that the y-axis and that the time is that the x-axis. The code of that the output has that the 8 level and this can be enclosed with their bits. So the encoded binary number range from that the 00 to that the 111. There are many type of that the ADC technique we will not go to that the detail. I will mention that the type of the ADC when we consider the particular chip. A simplest ADC and built with that the AVR microcontroller by using on-chip analog comparator. Then the voltage on that the positive input A and that the 0 and that the negative voltage A in that the 1 and that the A is the voltage greater than that the A voltage in. That means the output of that the comparator AC0 is to the 0, and AC0 output is directly method for that the AC/SR resistor. That means the simple ADC in that the PB0 pin is set to be logic 0. That means this discharger or any charger the capacitor, then the PB0 pin is set logically 0, and then the discharge only charge for that the capacitor, then the PB0 is pin programmable as that the input with that the no pull up register, and that the software counter timer 0 is triggering start counting. Then the capacitor start the charging to for that the plus 5 volt through that the register R. When the output voltage on that the capacitor becomes more than that the input voltage A, whereas the pin comparator output switches. When the detect for that the program which is pulling in that the loop detect the negative change state of that the comparator, the software count stopped, and that the accumulated count for that the proportional to that the input voltage on pin. In that the used for that the register ADMUX register is that the 8 bit, and that the ADC status register it is also that the 8 bit, whereas the figure shows for that the ADC in that the protease, and the final for that the ADC is that the interfacing of that the ADC to AVR microcontroller 8 mega 18 successfully studied.